looks kind of boring to me. A bit of a weird like twang to it. It just looks really, really pretty. I don't know if I love it that much to purchase one, but it does look really cute and I absolutely love the colour of this. It's just not a bit of me, I'm not gonna lie to you. So I hope you're well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, we are diving into the LUSH Mother's Day spoilers for 2024. Honestly, I cannot quite believe we are already diving into the Mother's Day spoilers. I feel like this year is just going by so incredibly fast and I cannot quite believe it. I do just want to say as well to anybody who wished me a happy birthday on Monday, thank you so much. It didn't go unnoticed. I appreciate every single one of you and I did have an incredible birthday. I'm 30 now. Vile. And there will be a birthday haul coming super soon, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that. But without further ado, let's dive into the Mother's Day spoilers. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. As always, I do just want to say thank you so much to lush.sense on Instagram. I get all of my sneak peeks. All of the photos you see on this video are from that account, so thank you so much. And let's dive in. I have seen no spoilers, so let's go. I am so excited. Let's go. So the first item coming out for Mother's Day for 2024 is the One Long Soak Bath Bomb. There's no price on this one at the moment, but this one looks absolutely incredible. I love with this one that they've kind of gone for a rainbow theme. It's not just your standard kind of rose scented things for Mother's Day. This one is Baked Alaska scented, which if you've never smelt Baked Alaska, it's basically a very strong citrusy, lemony, zingy kind of smell. It is so good and I absolutely love the colour of this. You've got blue, pink, yellow, orange, green. I just feel like this is going to be really beautiful in the water and I'm just very excited to give this one a try. So yeah, this is a brand new product and I'm loving the look of that one. Then we have Atom Heart Mother Bath Bomb, which is Once Upon a Time scented. This one is a returning product. It is a really lovely fragrance. I love Once Upon a Time. It basically smells like apples, like fresh crisp, don't know who Chris is, crisp apples, and it basically has the same fragrance as So White, which was a Christmas bath bomb a few years ago. It is just so good. I absolutely love it and I love this bath bomb. Again, we don't have any prices at the moment, so it's probably going to be around £5-ish, I would say. Apple, grapefruit, lemon, lime, beautiful. Very excited about that one. Oh, okay, the next one is the Mother Nature Bath Bomb, which is groovy kind of love scented. So ingredients wise in that fragrance, you've got things like why can I not say it? Rosewood, bergamot, ylang ylang. It's basically, I don't know how to describe it. It is a really lovely fragrance and we did have a groovy kind of love bath bomb a few years ago, so it's the same fragrance. Looking at this bath bomb though, I instantly thought like garden smell, so I'm kind of glad we're not in the garden smell vibe, so I'm really excited about that one as well. Next up we have the Avocado Bubble Bar, and I feel like we have had this one before. Yes, it says it's a returning product. So this one is Avo Bath scented, which I love Avo Bath. It's a very lemongrassy, bergamot, very strong citrusy smell. It's so good. And again, we have had this one before. It's very adorable. Will I buy it? I don't know. I don't know if I love it that much to purchase one, but it does look really cute and really adorable. If you like avocados, that might be a bit of you. Oh, okay, this one is beautiful. Oh, the smell. Okay, the next one is Blooming Beautiful Chamomile Bath Bomb, which is Dream Cream scented. This is very interesting. I feel like we've not had a Dream Cream fragrance product apart from Dream Cream. Correct me if I'm wrong down below. I might be completely off my head here, but I think that is right. That is absolutely beautiful. So this one is a really lovely kind of blue colour with a daisy on top, and it's so it just looks really pretty. And ingredients wise, kind of for the fragrance, you've got things like lavender, chamomile, tea tree, rose. So it is a really kind of gentle smell and I love the look of that. I'm gonna be picking that one up because that looks absolutely stunning. Oh, okay, so this is very interesting. So they've also released one called Blooming Beautiful Marigold Bath Bomb, and this one is iced wine scented, and basically it's the same design as the previous one, but it's kind of like a golden yellow as opposed to blue, which is very interesting. I'm not too sure why. Maybe this is like a range, I have no idea. But iced wine is bergamot, buchu, grapefruit and divana oil, and I did like it. I think I had a jelly iced wine a while ago and I really enjoyed that smell, so I'm looking forward to that one as well. Oh, okay, no, I see what they're doing here now. So this one is the Blooming Beautiful Orange Blossom Bath Bomb. Oh, This is Celebrate scented. Okay, out of all three, I feel like I need to smell the Dream Cream one, but I love Celebrate, so I'm gonna have to get this one. It is such a good smell. So ingredients wise in Celebrate, it's like orange and lime, but it basically just smells like an orange fizzy drink. It is so good, so fresh. I absolutely love the smell, so I think I'm gonna have to get one of those. And also it's pink, so I feel like I'm gonna love that one. Instantly looking at this next product, it is an absolute no-go zone for me. This is the Wash and Grow Reusable Bubble Bar, which is grass scented. Now, if you guys know me, you guys know I don't like grassy smells, anything that smells like the garden, the earth, mud.
I don't really like the rain. Any cold, wet thing, I don't really.
Anything in that kind of vibe, it's just not a bit of me, and this is just screaming, I smell like a garden. So I'm not going to go for this one. If you like garden smells, earthy smells, kind of that kind of vibe, you'll probably really love this one, but it's just a no-go zone for me, unfortunately, so I won't be buying that, I'm not gonna lie. Next up we have the Time to Relax bath bomb. This one is deep sleep scented, so it's a very lavender chamomile relaxing fragrance. We have had this one before, and I believe, correct me if I'm wrong, I think this is one of those bath bombs where the kind of hands of the clock come out and there's like little things on the inside, so I won't be surprised if that bath bomb costs around the £6 to £8 mark, but it is a really lovely fragrance. It's a beautiful design. Will I buy one? I'm not too sure. You'll have to wait for the haul, but yeah, I do like the look of that one. Next up, we have something so exciting, and I think I'm gonna have to get some, and my mum is going to be all over this, and this is the Wild Violet Co-Mingle, which is curbside violet scented. If you don't know what curbside violet smells like, it basically smells like Parma Violet sweets, but like a touch bit more natural, if that makes sense. It's so good if you love that kind of smell. Ingredients wise, it's got things like rosewood, violet leaf, ylang ylang, and jasmine, so it's very floral. If you don't like that kind of smell, you probably won't like it, but my mum is going to be obsessed with that. Again, we have no prices at the moment, but I'm very, very excited to give that one a try. That looks very interesting, so I'm excited for that. Next up, we have the Sticky Syrup Soap, which is Sticky Date scented. I feel like I bought this last year. Correct me if I'm wrong, I cannot remember, but this is Sticky Date scented, which is dates, vanilla, sandalwood. It smells absolutely freaking delicious. I love it. It's basically like an edible caramel smell. It is so, so good. And again, there is no price on this one. I would imagine it's going to be about £6-ish. But yeah, it looks amazing, smells delicious. Cannot wait for that one. Oh, this is cute. Okay, so the next one we have is the Snuggles Shower Gel, which is Butterball scented. Now, for me, Butterball is a very love-hate kind of vibe. It almost has a bit of a weird, like, twang to it. Now, I don't know if I'm kind of losing the plot here with this one, but for me, Butterball has that weird sort of smell, so I don't know whether I will buy this one. Again, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the haul video, but yeah, I'm not too sure about that one, I'm not gonna lie, but it's basically cocoa, musk, and ylang ylang. I'm not sure whether it's the musk in it that I don't like, but anyway, that is the shower gel for this range. The next item we have is a soap, and this is the Drop of Hope soap. That's very hard to say. Drop of Hope soap. And this one, I believe, is a returning product, and it's orange flower scented, so nothing really much to say about this one. I'm not gonna lie, looking at it, it looks kind of boring to me. I kind of wish I had a bit more of a colour, a bit more going on, but that's just my personal preference. The next item we have is a body scrub, and that is the Old Songs Awaking, which looks absolutely phenomenal. It looks so, so good, and this one is a brand new product, and fragrance wise, it's got things like tonka vanilla, bergamot, olibanum, and it's bubbly sweet like candy. Oh, that is gonna smell delicious. I honestly think I'm gonna have to get one of these. I really am enjoying the kind of thicker, like potted scrubs that Lush have been releasing. I have really enjoyed them, so I might have to purchase one of those. The next item is a returning product, which I can guarantee that all of you guys have been screaming wanting this back, and that is the Yummy Custard body wash. This basically smells like Let the Good Times Roll, which basically smells like popcorn, food, like cake battery popcorn. It is so, so good, and it's a very creamy, very moisturizing body wash. I really liked it, so that is something that I think I'm gonna have to put in my basket because it was so good. Oh, okay, the next item is very interesting. They have actually released a limited edition perfume just for Mother's Day. I am loving they're bringing out perfumes. I think it's a very nice change. It's a more luxurious gift if you want to kind of treat your mum or your dad or anyone within this range. I feel like this is a really nice thing to get as a gift. So this is the Alina liquid perfume. Elena, I think that's how you pronounce it. So it's £30 for 30ml or £60 for 100ml. And the fragrances in this is bergamot, pink pepper, clove bud, vanilla, jasmine, frankincense, patchouli, vetiver and orris butter. That sounds really interesting. Again, with these, I feel like it's quite a big purchase to kind of buy it on a whim, so I do want to go and smell that one. They then are also releasing it in the solid form, so this one is £10, and again, same smell, same concept, just a solid perfume, which I love. Next up, we have some eye patches. Now these personally are just not for me, but the design of these are so cute that I feel like I really want to get some, and they are the Flight of the Bumblebee eye pads. Now, how cute are these? You have one flower, one bumblebee. It is so, so cute. It's screaming like Mother's Day spring kind of vibes, and these ones have, let me just see. Oh, okay, apparently this is a returning product. I feel like I completely forgot that these existed, so not too sure whether these came out last year or not, but I have literally no recollection of those, so that's very interesting. Clearly I was obsessed last year because I don't remember them all. We then have the Peach Blossom Lush Melt, which is Divana, sandalwood and almond scented. This one is a brand new product and I'm very excited to smell that one. And then I think we have one more product left, which is actually horrifically terrifying. For some reason, I don't like the sheet masks. I think they kind of freak me out a little bit, and this one is no exception. This is the Queen Bee sheet mask, which is fragranced like Honey I Washed the Kids. Now that's going to smell absolutely phenomenal, and I really do want to put it all over my face, but tell me that's not terrifying. Like, I just don't know what it is about them. They just really freak me out. I'm not a fan of how these look, but very cute, very cool, very different. It's just not a bit of me, I'm not gonna lie to you. So those are all of the products that are coming out for Lush Mother's Day in 2024. I cannot quite believe that we have just filmed this video. I feel like this year is flying by. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I would love to know down below, what are you buying from the range? What are you most excited about? And what do you think I should buy? Because I definitely will be buying a few of these bits and doing a haul video very, very soon. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that. But that is everything. Also, I do want to say actually that the Mother's Day collection will be being released on the 1st of February, and that is online and in stores for UK and Ireland, and then for the rest of the world it will be the 28th of March. I believe that's because we celebrate it at different times of year, not just because they're being really nasty to everybody else. So yeah, that is when they're being released. But that is everything. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much as always, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.